Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom again and tap on Backup and Reset. And here we've got the Google Backup section, so let's tap on Google account and tap on Add account. Make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required, and here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. I've got it saved, so let me tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info. And tap on I agree. And there we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Of course you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage right here. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges for accessing the limits of your mobile data. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.